Driver! You can come on back here for me? Come on back here for me, please. Yeah, get out and come on back here. Hey, come on over here for me, man.
Outside, my phone dropped.
You good? Let's get over here. We ain't in the road. So, state police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you got taillight out.
It's not out. It just got tape on it.
You can't see that thing at all.
My bad. If you pull it off, you can. It's on.
What happened to it? It's just broke?
Car wash did that.
Man, what car wash you go to?
The little car wash, like down on 74.
Which side? Which side 74? Towards like airline, or you talking about back towards like St. Gabriel?
No, close by like what it is. Almost right there by Dutchtown, by the school.
The one across from Harvest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure I stay away from that one so I don't break your headlight or none.
Yeah,
Taillight or none.
I usually try to wash it myself. It just happened like about a week ago.
Damn.
It just happened, sir.
I got you.
I'm going to pick my wife up from work.
Is it your car?
Yes, sir.
Registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. You got your license on you now?
It's in the car.
All right, cool. You gonna grab it for me?
Yes, sir.
Look, before you go reaching any guns or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Perfect. Go ahead and grab it for me.
As the trooper and Nicholas walked to the open driver's door of the Saturn, the trooper smelled the odor of marijuana emitting from inside the vehicle and observed a semi-automatic pistol with an extended magazine on the driver's side floorboard.
Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here. Get out the car. Turn around for him, put your hands behind your back. All right. So right now you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way! Right now you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get the off! Get out! On your way!
Shot fired, shot fired.
Go forward. It's in the car. Drivers took off. Had a gun in the seat. Reach around the car. Be stopping near your dab lane. Driver! Get out of the car!
He hit.
1050. Drive.
He hit.
1050. Suspect stop near Prescott Drive. Drive. Get out of the car.
During this portion of the video, the trooper continues to give loud verbal commands as he waits for backup to arrive. For time purposes, this portion of the video has been sped up.
Can you tell how many times it's occupied?
One time black male with gun on the floorboard by the driver's seat. Other additional units are going 1097.
Assisting troopers and deputies arrived on the scene and made contact with Nicholas, who had sustained critical injuries. Responding units requested emergency medical services and administered CPR. Nicholas was transported to a local hospital where he was later pronounced deceased.
That taillight out.
It's not out. It just got tape on it.
You can't see that thing at all.
Oh, that stops right here.
Off, you can, it's on.
What happened?
It's just
Give me a sign.
I'm going to
Give
pick my
me a
wife
sign.
up from work.
Let me know what's on your
He's the blind. got to do to bring me closer to you, closer to you. Lord, give me a sign.